In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate PayPal into Wix. To begin, you will first log into your Wix dashboard. Open your web browser and go to Wix. Then sign in using your usual Wix account. Once you are in, you should land on the main dashboard view, where you can manage your site and all of its settings. This is the control center for anything you want to add to your website, including payment options. Now that you are inside the Wix dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the right area for payments. Look for the Settings option in the dashboard menu. When you find it, open Settings. This matters because the PayPal connection is handled through Wix's payment configuration, not through general site settings. After you open Settings, you will go to a specific section called Accept Payments. Find Settings, Accept Payments. As you click into Accept Payments, Wix should display options related to the payment methods your site can use. Take a moment here to confirm that you are seeing the Payments page because the PayPal integration button will be located within this screen. Next, you will scroll through the payment methods list until you find PayPal. The page may show several providers depending on your site and account setup. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the PayPal option, which should appear by name. Once you locate PayPal, click Connect. This action tells Wix that you want to start the setup process for PayPal specifically. At this point, Wix will show you on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Follow what appears on your screen. Wix may prompt you to log in to the provider, or it may offer an option to create an account if you do not already have one. If you already have a PayPal business account, you should log in using that account. If you are creating an account, follow the instructions shown on the provider site to finish the account creation. The goal here is to establish the secure link between Wix and PayPal so that payments can be processed correctly. As you continue, Wix will require details from your PayPal business account. The next step is to enter your PayPal business account email address into the field provided on the Wix screen. Make sure you enter it accurately, because this email is how Wix identifies the PayPal account you want to connect. Take your time with this part and double-check that the address is correct before you proceed. Once the email address is entered, you will click Connect. This final click confirms the information you provided and completes the handshake between Wix and PayPal. Depending on your setup, you may see a confirmation message or a status indicator showing that PayPal is connected successfully. After you click Connect and the setup finishes, you should review what Wix shows for PayPal under the Payment Methods area. Ideally, it should reflect a connected state, meaning the integration is ready for your store or booking flow. If there are any additional prompts on screen, follow them carefully, but stay focused on completing the PayPal setup as Wix directs. When PayPal is connected, your Wix website will be able to use PayPal as a payment option for customers, as long as you have enabled payments where you need them. At this stage, you can return to your site settings and make sure your products or services are configured to accept payments through the methods you enabled. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.